I throat punch that bitch. And if you go into the McDonald's on Dorset, you throat punch her too. Tell her Carla sent you. Then punch her in the cooter.
Oh shoot. Hey there. Okay. Oh god, someone's coming toward me. Oh my god, I hate public. I hate public confrontation. Is that what it's called? Where you're like walking up to someone and then they're just like staring you in the eyes like this and you're just like, oh boy. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Yay, off my life. Okay. So anyways, good morning guys. We're on day 2 of vlog intros that will probably never be finished. I think I'm gonna, ooh, that was not some good light. I think I'm gonna make some I think I'm gonna make a compilations of these things that I don't finish because I already can tell that I'm most likely not going to finish this. Oh wow. Wow. Look, the whole fit real nice. Got the legs out. Not the toes though. The toes stay locked up. Yes, I have my case right here because it got soaking freaking wet. But like someone's following me. But hey, look at my edges. They're out. They're gloriful. Thank the good Lord Jesus Christ. I had a stats test today. Oh, my skin looks really nice. I have a stats test today. I tried to study yesterday. That did not go good. That did not go good. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my skin. My skin looks great. What the frick? Oh, sauce. Oh, and there it goes back to normal. It was probably just the shade. Like I said, my skin, this is like, the sun is out. I'm feeling great. I want my skin to look great. And I mean, it looks decent. So, yeah. Oh, there you go again. Oh, there you go again. I'm in the library now. Dang, I don't know what that is, but it looks really good. Oh my Lord. Please don't let me meet people I know. Please don't let me meet people I know. There it is. Wow. Hello. Look at myself. You ugly skank. I mean, I know. Working it. That little piece of hair right there, I couldn't get it to go away, so it's just like sitting there. It's okay. Love it. Okay, so anyways, I'm here already. My eyelashes. Okay, so anyways, I gotta study.
I throat punch that bitch. And if you go into the McDonald's on Dorset, you throat punch her too. Tell her Carla sent you. Then punch her in the cooter.
Oh my god, I freaking hate you. Does this thing open?
No, it doesn't open. It's broken. It was leaking last night when it was raining. Like, Savannah was over there. Is it leaking? Is it leaking? I was
Oh my
like,
gosh, there's a tree falling down.
yeah, she was like, the tree's falling down. Do you see a twister? I see a twister. Like, shut up.
Twister.
She was like,
A twister?
like, do you think
We're in
this?
freaking Georgia.
I said, is this the Wizard of fucking Oz? There's no twister. Oh my god. She wanted to get all salty because she was scared we were gonna die. Like, that's not a good thing or
Oh my
something.
gosh. I look good today.
So do I. You're finna make like that woman at the McDonald's on Dorset, had your throat pot.
Okay guys, so we're pulling into freaking Arby's.
Where she insists they have nothing good. See, they have buffalo chicken.
They have nothing good.
They have buffalo chicken.
Nope.
They have buffalo chicken.
I want a 20-piece nugget from McDonald's
Okay.
with a large
Do I look
fry
like the
with
fucking
some
$1 million
buffalo
man?
sauce.
I can't afford no 20-count nugget.
You used to be able to, didn't you?
Yeah, so I started hanging out with your ass.
What's the spiciest thing on it?
Alright. What?
What's the spiciest thing on it?
Probably the buffalo chicken.
Ask. What's the spiciest thing on it?
Ma'am?
What can we get for you today?
Alright, what is the spiciest thing on your menu?
We have the buffalo chicken sandwich and the buffalo slice.
Alright, do you want anything?
Not here.
Alright, so I'll just have a large roast beef sandwich with no bun. And, yeah. Oh, a Diet Coke.
Is that Diet Coke still medium or large?
Medium, please.
What else can we get for you?
That'll be it.
Would you like to donate $1 making a difference to America's kids today?
No, thank you. I'm joking.
Please, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
Back at it again. He's such a horrible person for not donating.
I hate you. Oh my god.
I told him to donate for the children.
I hate you.
And he said, no, he don't care.
Free slider, you can say next order.
Okay. Can I have some mayonnaise, please? Thank you.
And you're still not donating, which is the worst thing. You get a free slider.
Thank you.
Y'all have a great day.
You too.
She should work at Chick-fil-A.
God, fuck you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What are you
I'm
doing?
taking a bite of my food and then we can go.
It's a freaking roast. Oh my gosh, I know what I want. I want Popeyes.
Yeah, makes sense.
Roasted. Give me some.
Oh no, according to Murray, Arby's tastes like ass.
Oh no, according to Murray. Okay, my skin's doing it now. Oh my god. Okay, this is what I mean when I mean that I wanted skin that like the sun. Ah! Hello, it's me. My last name.
I
is
love
not
my
on
job
here.
and I love my life.
Okay, so anyways, guys, this is Roswell. Are you wearing yours today?
Yeah. What would Jesus do?
Love everyone unconditionally. But this is Roswell. Fun fact, I literally met him, what, 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Jinx, you owe me food. Ew, gross enough. But, met him 2 weeks ago. We clicked like this. For some reason, I'm just like starting to be in this habit where I just meet freaking people and I'm like clicked with them. I'm attached.
Oh my gosh, how bad was it meeting you that?
It wasn't even that bad.
Okay, good.
But, do you realize that? Okay, so without mentioning any names, because we're not trying to be petty. I only met you for 2 weeks, and we're like this. We talk like every single day. We don't even have
classes together.
No, the reason we talk every day is because you text me. I live near Alabama, so my time on my phone like changed back and forth. You text me every day at 7:30 and you're like, where are you? Make me think I'm late to class and my phone like changed time. Make me think, oh shit, I'm behind.
I'm behind. Shut up. Anyways, we talk every day because he likes me as a friend, of course, but he likes me because I'm a very likable person. So anywho.
And she keeps talking to me because I buy her food.
What can I say? But anywho. I say that a lot, by the way. Yeah, so I met him literally 2 weeks ago. Fun fact about me, I do not, the people that I like them for a very long time. Like, I don't like making new friends, because I feel like the friends that I have are the friends that are going to stay with me, which of course, that's not always the case. That's not always going to be the case, but I don't like making new friends. So when I sat beside him in my workshop, I was like, oh boy, because here's the thing, I missed my first workshop day because there was something that I had to do prior. Don't say junk, I don't need your mouth. Don't say it. Don't say it. But anywho, so I missed the first day of workshop and I missed my freaking lab, and so he is in my freaking chem class, my chem workshop, and my chem lab. And so I sat down and I was like, are you in the chem lab? Blah, 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 blah. And he was like, yeah, of course, let me help you. Ma!
I'm a good person sometimes.
Sometimes. Yeah. But, so we just clicked it off of that. But as I was saying, I have this thing now, and I don't know where this came from. I guess since I'm like a college student, and like even though I look really young, and I do not look like I'm a college student, a lot of these college people want to be my friend, and I'm like, stop! Ah! Oh. But yeah, so I've literally met people like in 3-week intervals. And I've just been like attached to them this whole entire time, and I don't know what to do. Like, there's this one person, we're not gonna mention any names. Stop, that was so petty. There's this one person that I literally met them like 3 weeks ago, and I was like, I like you so much. We're friends. But still, I just don't like the connection thing. I don't understand where that comes from. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of being all these people's friends, I'm gonna just get my money. Play some music.
Alright, you're gonna be fucking shook. I'll put you on, let me put you on.
Don't play Christian, not Christian music. I love Christian music. Don't play Christmas music. No! Don't, first one second here. Don't play Christmas music.
We'll finish the song and then I'll play part of it.
No. It's freaking August. No, it's not.
Nuts roasting
On an open fire.
Jack Frost nipping at your
Change the song. Simple as that.
Did she have that all planned out?
Yep. And I know, if you got this far in the video and you know who you are, I'm funnier than you. Oh! This is my song! Fuck, Rory. Hold that. Sorry though. That my coin's like Mario.
How do I get top off?
Turn this way. I like Asian. Oh my gosh, Deja Yeah, boo, I've already said that in a video before. Not with you and not on my channel, but I've literally said that before. I've actually said I look fat and Asian.
Well, I am fat, so.
What's up, Grandma?
Little old lady.
Kinky. What's up? She's staring a hole through you. She's probably like, why is that black girl with that white guy?
I don't see race. I don't see color.
Really? Really?
No.
So what color of people were slaves?
We had slaves?
Oh my lord.
Who was that? I don't recall.
You're gonna get blasted. You might want to say that you do realize that we had.
Oh, I hate myself. By the way, I hate my voice too. So, if y'all want to roast on my voice, do it. I don't fucking care.
They probably think you support the Confederacy. We didn't even have slaves. Fun fact. I don't eat breakfast food. Unless it's like in the afternoon. I can't eat breakfast food in the morning. It makes me sick. Because that's just weird.
I usually don't eat breakfast. I usually don't have time for it.
You know what I don't have time for?
Oh, guess what I bought yesterday? A thing to charge my phone with. See? I bought a phone charger. Look at me being responsible.
You know this is the second time she's caught off one.
No, she thought about calling it off once.
No. She's already been engaged before.
Oh yeah, she told me that. If you call off a wedding because of the venue, that's not real love, you know? You know? I mean...
There might be something else. Dang.
Yeah. I'm not even talking about her, but if someone were to do that...
Honestly, I don't even think that, like, I'll live to get married. Like, when I think about the future, I just think about getting a job. I don't even think about, like, kids and stuff like that. I'm tearing this chicken up.
No, you tore that chicken up. It's gone.
No, it's not. They're still bread. It's still kicking. It's still cooking. Cacao! Damn, I'm really depressed if there's no more chicken. Oh well. Wow. Wow. Oh, my legs. Hello. The chicken grease on my hands is freshly licked off. Here is garbage. Oh, look at him. He's trying to get a job. Wish you luck, son. But anyways, we don't know what we're going to do, but this video is literally over around like maybe 30 minutes, and that's going to be a lot of freaking editing. Even though I don't want to edit. So, we're going to say peace out for now. Peace out for now. Say it. Bye, Roswell.
Bye. Y'all have a blessed evening.
My pleasure. Chicken all over my face. Okay. For real, we're saying bye now.
Is that a...
Oh, I thought it was a dead tiger. Wait, tigers and... Okay, bye guys.
And that's why they invented condoms.
Do that.
And Plan B, two-step.
Why?
Someone do that with you, and then the next day they're like, oh God, what have I done?
Bye guys. Do the little 2003 pose. 1, 2, 3. And he works at Hobby Lobby. Do it. Bye.